Hello guys, today we're going to replace brake pads of a Mercedes E-Class 2012 E-Class AMG. As you can see, the brake pads need to be replaced. This is the rear side. Very nice car. You have to hear the sound of this car. I'm going to start it, so I'm going to show you how this car sounds. My colleague who is working on the right side of this car. Yes, as you can see, we are professionalized in Mercedes. The rear discs are also ventilated. Normally, E-Class doesn't have rear discs that are ventilated. These are the tires. Okay, stay tuned for other videos of this AMG E-Class. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.